Have you ever made a quick decision and later thought, I should have thought that through? Maybe you believed a rumor that wasn't true, bought something you didn't need, or misunderstood someone's words.
In today's video, we're talking about critical thinking, a simple but powerful skill that helps you make better decisions, avoid mistakes, and see situations clearly.
We'll break it down with easy examples from daily life so you can start using it right away. Imagine this. You're at a cafe with your friend, and the waiter brings the wrong order. Your friend thinks, this waiter is careless, while you wonder, maybe the chef made a mistake. Why two people can look at the same situation with different perspectives and come to completely different conclusions. That's where critical thinking comes in. It's not just about what you see, it's about how you think. Step 1. Question assumptions, the foundation of critical thinking.
Picture this. You're scrolling through social media and you see a headline that says, "Eating chocolate every day can help you lose weight." Tempting, right?
But instead of believing it immediately, stop and ask, is this really true? Who conducted the study? What's the evidence?
Critical thinking starts with questioning assumptions.
Don't just accept what you hear or see at face value. Dig deeper. The more you practice this, the better you'll become at separating fact from fiction.
Step 2. Gather information. Think like a detective. Let's say your friend is upset and says, "You never listened to me." Your first reaction might be to get defensive. But instead, stop and think, what's really going on here? Did I miss something important? Could they just be having a bad day? This is critical thinking in action, gathering all the information you need to make an informed decision. Remember, the more you know, the better equipped you are to decide wisely.
Step 3. Analyze the situation. Break it down. You have a big assignment due, but you're overwhelmed and don't know where to start.
Instead of stressing out, try breaking it into smaller tasks. First, research, then write an outline, then work on one section at a time.
This way of thinking makes even the hardest problems feel manageable. It's like untangling a messy headphone cable. You go bit by bit until it's clear. Step 4. Consider multiple perspectives. See the bigger picture. Think about a family argument. Maybe you believe your sibling is being unreasonable about something, but have you tried to see things from their point of view? What's driving their behavior? Critical thinking teaches us to step out of our own shoes and into someone else's. This doesn't mean you have to agree with them, but understanding their perspective can help you find common ground or a solution that works for everyone. Step 5. Avoid bias. Be honest with yourself. You're convinced that a particular brand of coffee is the best, but then a blind taste test reveals that another brand tastes better.
Surprised? That's your bias at work. We all have biases, it's human nature. The key is recognizing them and being open to changing your mind when the evidence points elsewhere.
Critical thinking isn't about being right. It's about being willing to learn. Step 6. Reflect and revise. Learn from your experiences. Here's a habit to adopt. After making a decision, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself, what went well? What could I have done differently? For example, if you handled a tough conversation poorly, think about what triggered you. Maybe you let emotions take over instead of focusing on the issue. By reflecting, you'll improve your approach next time. Hey all! Before we go to the ending, if you feel my videos are helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and show your support. Let's see some examples of how we can apply critical thinking in our daily life. Buying a product. Before purchasing the latest gadget, compare reviews, check specifications, and ask yourself if it meets your needs. Choosing a career path. Instead of following trends, assess your skills, interests, and long-term goals. Handling disagreements. Instead of reacting impulsively, listen, analyze the situation, and respond thoughtfully. So yes, critical thinking isn't just for philosophers or scientists. It's a tool for everyone. It helps you navigate the complexities of life with clarity, confidence, and curiosity. Whether it's deciding what to eat, resolving conflicts, or planning for the future, Critical thinking empowers you to make choices you won't regret.
So the next time you face a challenge, don't just react. Think critically. You'll be amazed at how much easier life becomes when you start asking the right questions and seeking the right answers. Comment your thoughts. See you in the next video. Bye.